Okurugirira hari Wilson Bwambare omuwarugire omu buhekyere bw'aba ADF nagira ngu gavumenti ekabahereza ekyoma eki ngu begireho kwonka ko bamazire bakipakinga ha polisi ya Kasese ahi kyamara emyezi 9.
Ekyoma kya kukora blocks, ekyoma kiri ha Kasese ha polisi. Ekyoma it will be spoiled anytime.
Bwambare nayongera agira ngu nobu babaraganise sente zo kwija kutandikiraho na hati tubakazirebaga.
Hereze sente, erelize sente tujye tukora emirimo. Ekyoma kijya kufa bule, ekyoma kiri ha polisi. Noe ninsaba gavumenti ekikoleho tugende tulinda sente.
Ronald Sekatawa coordinator wa Amnesty Commission ha Western Region nagira ngu ekyoma cyo kutera amatafari nikwe kiri ha polisi ahabo kubura sente zo kuhereza abantu ngo batandikireho.
That's where I base to appeal to His Excellency the President to come in and help the integration program of Amnesty Commission as pledged in 2016 to the people of Rwenzori region. We as a commission, we are still committed to fulfill our constitutional mandate.
Sekatawa nagira ngu bonka commission bakakorwa abo gukwegesa abarugire omu buhekyera okubaragumeno bakikoresa.
Otherwise, the machine is ready and it was bought by the ministry, and the commission has done its part by training, and we have so far run 2 trainings. That is the first phase and the second phase. As we talk now, those people are ready. It is only the delay of money which has caused us.
Thomas Chisembo commissioner wa Amnesty Commission ha Western Region nagira ngu ekyoma eki mukuru w'ihanga kabakiraganisa abarugire omu buhekyera omu mwaka gw'2014.
The president pledged to give these hydroform machines which make interlocking blocks so that in this region, so that especially the reporters and the communities which host the reporters can start making bricks, which will give them entrepreneurship, start kind of a company.
Ogu nagaruka agira ngu yamazire kuba nahandikira ministry y'enshonga zo munda okureba ko bakubasa kubahereza sente.
Recently I wrote to Honorable General Tafira, who is our minister, to look into it, to expedite the way of getting the money, how these machines can be run.
Nikigamba ngu ekyoma eki kikagurwa $200,000 kandi omu izoba nikitera amatafari 50,000. Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.